Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to group notes in Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to group notes into Google Keep, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application at first. And now, in order to group your notes, you just simply have to find out about this label feature of Google Keep. Now you just simply have to make a label by tapping into create new label into here. I have already made few labels into here. Now in order to group some specific task or list or any of the notes, you just simply have to go into this notes section and then select the notes which you want to group. Then after that, tap into this label button and send the notes into those specific group or label. Then after that, your all the notes will be grouped into one place. As you can see here, I have successfully labeled these two and it is showing these two specific notes into a new group. This way you can easily group your notes into Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.